Stock ticker symbol ELIO, currently traded at $7.65. The last time that we took a look at this stock was going to bring us way back here, but we had a drop off. Look at that, coming back down to $6. Hopefully when Joe pulls this one up over on March 16th, Joe, it went from 740 to 610. And that was going to be on March 16th. I'm not sure exactly what happened there. I'm hoping that you could possibly figure out, what happened there with the news. That being said, you guys beat down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days right here. Just beat down, come up through that 10-day simple moving average, made your way through that 20-day, and then now it looks like that volume has weakened off. I personally think it's going to pull down to the 20-day simple moving average and possibly bounce off of there. And it will as well fill that gap that's now there at the 699, 714 area. That is what I think is going to happen personally. So watch for that to fill. But the 20-day simple moving average is going to be an area that I would like to see to hold. And it looks like the last time that I went over this one on 3/8, it was myself alone. And Joe, you were not here.
Yeah, it's the first time I ever really looked at this thing. Their latest press release I'm seeing it was on February 2nd. It was Elio Motors selects Alpine 4 for product manufacturing and engineering resources. So Alpine 4 Technology is a technology and manufacturing holding company initially targeting the national automobile dealership market. Announced on February 2nd that it has signed a letter of intent with Elio Motors Incorporated to provide the innovative high mileage vehicle manufacturer its Sixth Sense Auto and brake active products, as well as related manufacturing, data sharing, and engineering resources. So Elio Motors is based in Phoenix, is a high-profile startup vehicle manufacturer planning to launch an ultra-efficient two-person, three-wheel vehicle, the Elio, that will get up to 84 miles per gallon with a set base price of $7,300. The Elio, to be sold initially in the U.S. market, will be built at a former General Motors plant in Shreveport, L.A., I'm guessing Louisiana. More than 64,000 customer reservations have been recorded for the Elio, and the company anticipates commercial mass production to begin in 2018. I don't see where that drop that you were talking about with the March 2nd, like where that came from.
That was going to be March 16th.
March 16th? Yeah, I don't see it. Let me see. Yeah, I don't see what would have triggered that as, from any of these filings or news or anything else like that. So that's that. Maybe, you'd have to obviously go into it more because these guys are obviously, they're setting up right now to produce these vehicles, but at the same time, they're saying there's 64,000 customer reservations. I don't know how these reservations were taken. Do they take deposits on it or whatnot? But obviously, it takes money to make money. If you have an opinion on a company or you're looking to do more due diligence on this company, just go right over to the ELIO board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll go and you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting over there on that ELIO message board.
All right, now I'd like to add really quick here as well to this. So if you're watching this video right now and you know what triggered this drop off, we would definitely like to know. So make sure you leave a comment below this video and say, hey, look, this is why ELIO dropped off. We would really like to know because that plays a big role here in the stock chart, but it's definitely regaining since. $7.65 hold. Volume has dropped back off and headed to fill the gap at $6.99, $7.14. Resistance at $7.89 and $8. Support at $7.25, $6.96. 20-day simple moving average, $6.96 is a must hold in my opinion for this to continue to turn around. ELIO, as always, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us as well, you can do so at investorshangout.com/live.